That's weird.
What?
Fire truck's going to a hospital. This guy here is too long, so he has to back in. Sorry I didn't film them responding. Mistake. Surprised that those other two trucks we saw didn't come. I thought that's what those guys were. Looks like it's a false. He being told to get out. Yep, he's being told to leave. Oh well, we'll stay here. Did you hear the weird sirens that he was making? Yeah. Going through the intersection.
He was doing that to the cars that were stopped.
They were stopping. He was just doing it to amuse us. Cars were all stopped. He was just doing it to amuse us.
So people going?
Yeah.
Seriously, bikers are not going.
He was just doing it to make us happy. Yeah, he's gone. There goes the other rig. Surprised that the other trucks from 65 didn't show up. They can't be that far. I kind of got your head in the video a little bit. All of a sudden you see a huge flame go up in the air. Montreal, LaSalle Hospital, burning.
But there was no smoke.
Don't smell anything. They didn't go that far.